What's up guys, so in this video what I'm going to show you how to do is run Python code using the terminal on your device. If you're using a Mac, then you have the terminal. If you're using Windows, you're going to have the command prompt. Either way, it's going to be the same thing. Just follow the same exact instructions. So since I'm on a Mac, I'm going to open up the terminal. And the first thing I'm going to do is navigate to the folder that has the Python code that I want to go to. So I'm just going to use CD for that. Just changes the directory. So I'm going to CD into my desktop, then CD into my Python PyCharm project, and then in here I have a Python file which is going to be called hello.py, which is this one right there. And so to run this, all you have to do is, well, there's a couple of things you want to try because it depends on how you set up Python in the first place. In my case, since I'm using Python 3, I'm going to type in Python 3 and then the name of the file, which is hello.py, and you're just going to type in whatever the name of your Python file is. To do this, when I press enter, as you can see guys, it prints out the output. Hey guys, leave a like if this worked for you. And maybe, running that exact same line of saying Python 3 doesn't work. In that case, what you want to try doing is actually just going to be Python and then space the name of the file. So Python hello.py. For me it works as well because like Python without a number on my device corresponds with Python 2. So when I installed Python 3, I named it Python 3, but just try both of these options. One of them should more than likely work for you. And if it doesn't, leave a comment down below and I'll try to help you get that sorted out. But yeah, if it worked for you, just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn how to run other languages on your device, like C or Java, I've got videos on that out as well. So just be sure to check those out. Peace.